Hello, folks. A very warm welcome to all my viewers. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for joining us. Next, would like to introduce myself to you all. I am a certified Six Sigma Black Belt with 18 plus years of professional experience. Worked with companies like Genpact or G Capitals, IBM, Accenture, and EXL Services. Currently, I'm working with Al Ayuni Investment and Contracting Company based out of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. As we are living in the era of information technology, IT plays a key role in meeting our deliverables along with other types of resources. In my professional journey, have used varied IT-based applications and softwares. And one of the most used application across industry is Microsoft Office. As we all know, Microsoft Office is a suite comprising of multiple applications. To name a few: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and many others. Out of all these, MS Excel is one of the most powerful tools or components of MS Office. I have been using this application myself for last 20 years. And you won't believe, I feel more comfortable in writing a letter in MS Excel as compared to MS Word. Being said that, even after using the tool for more than 20 years, I still come across new tricks and tips and functions every now and then. The first version of MS Excel was launched in year 1987, and since then 13 subsequent versions were released. More than a billion people are using it worldwide, and trust me on this, less than 1% people have really mastered the tool. I come across people who are either struggling to get the things done in Excel or are doing the work in Excel the dummy way. That is, spending hours doing a task that can be done in minutes if one knows the true potential of Excel. I don't claim to be an expert of Excel, and I'm using this platform to share my knowledge of Excel and other applications of MS Office that I have gathered over the years. So let me start with the tip for the day. So, dear viewers, your tip for the day is, let's assume we need to create a database which contains serial number, name of item, rate of item. And in this database, we are going to say enter 100,000 records. And you decided that first, let me start with entering the serial numbers. So the one way what people normally do is, and will enter a couple of numbers, then select all the numbers, hold the mouse with left button pressed, and we'll keep on dragging this till the time we reach the desired number or desired serial number. So this is obviously going to be a time-consuming exercise, as we are planning to enter like 100,000 records. So in order to avoid this, what we can do is, first let me increase the size of my screen so that you can see it better. So just enter the very first number of the series that you want to generate.
Select the cell in which the first value of series is available. After that, press Alt H F I S. The moment you will press these, a dialog box something like this will appear. In this, first you need to tell the system that whether you want to fill the series in rows or columns. So here we are going to fill the series in column. So we'll select column. It's going to be linear because it's going to be a continuous series. The step value is the start value from where your serial number should start, and the stop value is the last value that you need in your series. So here we need 100,000. Once you are done with this, just click on OK and let's see what happened. Voila, we are done. So see how easy it was. Within a couple of seconds, we were able to enter numbers from 1 to 100,000. Isn't that amazing? Stay tuned for more such amazing tricks of Excel and much more to come. You can find us on Telegram. You can find us on YouTube. You can find us on WhatsApp. You can find us on LinkedIn and on Facebook. So simply what you need to do is, whichever way you want to connect with us, just scan the QR code and you will get connected to us. So don't forget to join our community, subscribe to our channel, join the group so that you get regular updates from our side. Soon we will come up with more interesting, not only tricks and tips, but we will also share some applications, or rather you can say programs that we have developed in Excel for our clients, and some what we have developed just to share free with our viewers. So stay tuned and see you soon. Thank you.